It's April. That means longer days, more sunshine, and summer is right around the corner. April is also National Car Care Month, so there's no better time to review some tire care tips your technicians can give to customers, especially after so many of them dealt with harsh winters and are preparing for summer travel. Let's review 3 tire maintenance tips technicians can tell customers to keep them safe on the road this summer. Our first tip is all about inspection. When a customer comes to your shop, technicians should be looking at every tire on their car for signs of irregular wear or damage, regardless of the service they came in for. Make sure your customers know that routine inspections like these are a safety precaution and can prevent unexpected tire issues during their summer travels. Our second tip is to focus on tire pressure. A lot of drivers may not know this, but heat is a tire's worst enemy. As temperatures rise, tire rubber deteriorates faster and air pressure increases. This combination on a hot summer highway can lead to sidewall expansion and contraction, breaking down steel belts and increasing the chance of a blowout. Improper tire pressure can also cause uneven tread wear, because it can change how the tire's footprint contacts the pavement. Third, check out your customer's alignment, especially if you notice irregular tread wear. Uneven tread wear often means your customer is dealing with alignment issues, which can really affect tire performance, safety, and lifespan. Recommend annual alignment checks and encourage your customers to inspect their own tires for signs of uneven wear. Bonus tip time! TPMS is another important tire technology that should not be ignored. If your customers are dealing with pesky TPMS lights or irregular tire pressure issues, recommend replacing each of their sensors. Like seat belts or airbags, TPMS is a vital safety measure, and its importance should be explained to customers who may be reluctant to replace or service them. Tire maintenance isn't just about extending tire life. It's about keeping drivers safe, especially with summer right around the corner. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.